Welcome back to 11 Pass. This is design 8 and here is the design we are doing. So the first thing you have to do is that you pick the number of beads that will sit here in the design you sketch out. You continue to pick that beads number. You do so continuously. Remember to continue picking the number of beads that will sit on that design you just drew out there. Continue the same method all through till you get to the last part of it. You can use this design on abayas. If you pick too much beads, you bring out the bead and bring down your needle back and continue on the next line. If you have any question for me, I'm always here for you in the comment section. Just talk to me. I'll listen. I'll reply. Any tutorial you kind of need me to continue to do, just let me know. I'll continue this design. Alright? Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share these videos. I appreciate you all.